Hello guys, welcome back to our end of day market update for this beautiful Monday, March the 22nd of 2021. This is Camilo from Trending Waves, and today we will review the Nasdaq and the S&P. What a bullish day in the markets, but we have to be cautious. Let's take a look. All right, so what we have in front of us is the chart of the S&P, and from the March lows, okay, we have completed wave 1 and we are now looking for wave 2. Okay, so I know that my previous video called for, let me clean this up, called for wave 2 finishing here. Let me just take it back to how it was before, and wave 2 finish here, which was appropriate at the time, all right, given that this would have been a 38.2 retracement of wave 1, which is appropriate for wave 2 to complete, and we had 3 waves down. Okay, but given the price action today and given 2 more clues that I have that I'm going to share with you right now, okay, and this is the following. So this resistance line that I have drawn here, which is originated from the previous high in February, all right, you notice that this area here has been struggling to break above it. Okay, we've attempted it about 3 times, so 1 time here, twice, 3 times, and then the 4th time, but we couldn't hold as we made a lower high and we sold off. All right, we since then have printed 3 waves, what appears to be 3 waves as of today. All right, so we take a look at this. All right, we go up in A, down in B, and up in C. So what does this tell me? This sort of shows me that we haven't completed wave 2 yet, and that everything gets shifted 1 degree over. Oh, sorry, 1 swing over. All right. So what is the other clue that I mentioned in my when I started talking? So the other clue is that if this is wave B, then wave B usually retraces 78.6% of wave A. So that's what we have. All right, wave B was just shy of that Fibonacci region, but is valid. So we have three evidence here. We have rejection of the previous all-time highs. We have the 78.6 Fibonacci resistance, and we have the zone of failed attempts to break to new highs. All right. Additional to that, we have 3 waves here. However, let me just go back. If this is the end of wave 2 and we finished it here and not going lower, so what is our game plan? The game plan is this. The game plan will be that I will want to see a break of this extreme here. Oops. All right, a break of that zone. We will call this 1, 2, up in 3 if we break above it. But I will want to see a retest to then go higher. Right? I'm drawing this as preliminary. Don't follow these as actual levels. All right. This is just preliminary, but that's the sort of wave count that I would like to see if we were to break above this price, this extreme. If not, then we're going to divert ourselves into being that this is 1 swing over and the wave 2 has not completed yet, and we're going to wait for another leg down. So where could this potentially finish? So if we take a quick retracement from the lows, take this fib tool from the lows to the highs of wave 1, we'll note that I already had it there. We'll note that the 38.2% retracement, right, will be sort of in line with this zone of support, right? So around this zone, this area of the anywhere between 38 to 38,600, not 38,000, 3,800. It's been a long day, guys. My apologies. We can anticipate that wave C could finish, and then we're gonna see 5 waves up into wave 3. All right. So that's my take on that. So again, just a quick recap. We failed to break this high. All right. We rejected it. We went onto the fib level of 78.6, potentially another leg lower. All right, so keep that in mind. This is very critical. We'll know soon enough by tomorrow or as early as Wednesday which direction this is going to take. Going over to the Nasdaq. Nasdaq has a similar situation in that we were counting that perhaps this, because given that we had a pretty bullish day today, we failed to break above this downtrend line that we've established. Okay, initially we had this as the same thing as in the S&P, that this was wave A, B, and C to complete wave 2, which is appropriate. Okay, if we take a retracement tool, okay, we note that this fell, and this fell between the 38.2%. Okay, and let's take a look. What do you know? The 61.8. So this could have been, the end of wave 2, but since we are very disciplined traders in our group, we opted out to wait just a bit to see where this price action will take us. And given that we have now rejected this zone, okay, we're going to take all of this one swing over. So like the Nasdaq, like the S&P, we're going to take a retracement tool of wave A, and we're going to see that wave B finished right spot on the 78.6, which is absolutely incredible. So this tells me, okay, along with all of this resistance area, I'm just going to do a quick line here. Okay. As you see here, right? This sort of tells me that we will see a little bit more selling coming into this week. All right, guys. So where will wave C take us? So wave C could potentially be at the 100% retracement extension of wave A. So that will take us down to 12,500. All right, on the Nasdaq, right before we head on higher. All right, so that is my take on this. That is my, I'd rather wait a little bit to confirm this count and to see if we are, we'll know soon enough. By tomorrow or as early as Wednesday, we'll know what's going to happen, if we're going to, continue lower, or we're going to break above this line. All right, at which point, if it does happen, then 13,700 is not out of the question. That'll be wave 3, which is 100% extension of wave 1. Okay, guys, so let's see my notes here. That's the S&P and the Nasdaq. So I want to review quickly 3 more charts that I'm looking at for today. Or for this week. My apologies. So FedEx. So the wave count in FedEx is that we've completed wave 1, right? We go up in 1, down in 2, 3, 4, and 5. Very clean 5-wave structure. We now corrected in 3 ways to form wave 2, A, B, and C. Okay, we since then now printed wave 1, down in 2, and we're here. So the way I'm looking at this is that this is wave 1, we're down in 2, up in 3. We're now trying to complete wave 4. So invalidation in this count comes in at 269.28. If at any point wave 4 breaks below that, then this is an invalid count. All right, and we'll have to reevaluate this wave structure, or this wave count. All right, so anything, a break above the previous high of wave 3 will open the door for the completion of wave 3, and then we're going to back test it and then go on wave 5. All right, to complete wave 5 of 3. The other chart that I have here to review is that one of Home Depot. So I added Home Depot to my long-term portfolio. Home Depot has been in consolidation for some time now. It's been almost 200 days, I think I counted here. So if we take a measure tool, we'll note that 203 days. So it's been pretty long. So Home Depot hasn't broken above its new, its previous high, but it's very well on its way there. So going down to the 1-hour time frame, we note that we went up in 1, we corrected down in 2. We're now what appears to be the completion of wave 3, and we're now looking for the start of wave 4, at which point, I'm not anchoring anything here. This is not the levels, don't get it confused, guys, but wave 4 should be a sideways move, given that wave 2 was directional. So the guideline of alternation states that if wave 2 or wave 4 are directional or sideways, the other way should be, its counterpart. So once we complete wave 4, we're going to look into taking additional trades in our group to take us up to, the 100% extension. So that's Home Depot. So just give it some time, guys. Wait for this. Wait for it to complete. Uber is similar. All right. in that we have been this was a crazy period of consolidation in the triangle. So we broke out of it, we went up in one, we then spot on finished wave 2 at the 61.8% retracement of this overall wave 1. Okay, we printed 3 waves down, so A, B, and C, and now we're looking to start wave 3. All right, guys. So wave invalidation comes in at anything below 54.34, which is the end of wave 2. Okay, so keep these charts on watch. Going back quickly to the S&P, let's just wait this coming into today and tomorrow, into tomorrow and Wednesday, to see if we're going to break higher above the previous high and hold it as support. If not, then just keep in mind that we could go lower into the 38.2% retracement, right, of this overall wave 1. Similarly in the Nasdaq. Okay, guys, so I hope this was helpful for you guys. If you guys have any question, that reminds me, hang on, give me a second.
A while.
Sorry, that was my had a video in the background. Oh, Instagram. So before I go, just a quick reminder, I do have an Instagram page where I post daily updates on the markets. All right, and I do have a Discord group which you can join here for free. Just click on the link, put your email, and join. Additionally, something that will also help my YouTube channel is that if you subscribe to it, okay, you're gonna see that hit the thumbs up. This really helps my channel grow and gives me motivation to keep on pumping out these these videos out for you guys, so that you guys can enjoy my content. Okay, so once again, free Discord group, no charge. Just put your email here and join, and we'll be excited to see you there. All right, guys. So with that being said, I hope that you guys have a wonderful rest of your night, and I will see you guys tomorrow, same time. Take care. Bye.